Hello traders and welcome back to the Forex Geek. Today's analysis focuses on one of cryptocurrency's most fascinating technical tools. We are talking about the Pi Cycle Top Indicator. So this remarkable indicator has demonstrated an uncanny ability to predict Bitcoin's major market peaks, offering traders a powerful edge in timing their positions. So through careful examination of historical data, you discover how this indicator has successfully forecasted significant market tops within a 3-day window, leading to substantial price corrections ranging from 50% to over 80%. So whether you're an experienced trader or just starting your journey in cryptocurrency markets, understanding the Pi cycle top indicator could be the key to protecting your portfolio and maximizing your returns in the next market cycle. So stay tuned as we break down the mechanics, analyze past predictions and reversals, and how you can implement this indicator effectively in your trading strategy. So let's get started. So this is the Pi cycle top, and it was developed by Philip Swift. It is a powerful tool for identifying potential market tops in Bitcoin's price action. So this indicator combines two critical moving averages to generate its signals. The first one is the 111-day simple moving average, which is orange in color. As you can see it on the charts. And the second one is the 350-day simple moving average multiplied by 2, and it's the green color moving average. You can see it on the charts also. And the indicator's premise is straightforward. When the shorter term 111-day moving average crosses above the longer term 350-day moving average multiplied by 2, it signals a potential market top, and we should be looking for a reversal in Bitcoin's price. So the name pi cycle comes from the mathematical constant pi, which is approximately equal to 3.14159. So this indicator tries to focus on the relationship between these two EMAs, particularly the 111-day EMA divided by the 350-day EMA. So the magic happens when these lines intersect. This crossover event has historically coincided with major market peaks, offering traders a valuable signal to consider taking profits or implementing risk management strategies. So let's just look. Let's find moments where these two lines intersected. I'm just gonna add the circle. So you can see here we had this minor intersection between the shorter day moving average and the longer day moving average, and that signaled a top. This was in 2021, April 2021, where we had the first top, and we had the bicycle top give us this indication of this potential reversal. This was a It indicated that this was a top in Bitcoin's price, and you could see from that we had this 50%. Let me just This was the top. This was the top right here, and we had this minor cross. It just crossed a bit and still crossed back up. So that minor cross indicated that this was a market top, and we should be looking for reversals from that top of Bitcoin. And it's crucial to understand that while this indicator has been remarkably accurate in the past, it should not be used in isolation. So combining the Pi cycle top indicator with other technical analysis tools and fundamental research can enhance your decision making process and potentially improve your trading outcomes. You can see as we had that signal, price gave us a 50% drop, actually a 54% drop from that intersection. From that signal had this 54% drop, signaling to us that that was the top of this Bitcoin price movement at the time. That was in 2021. So I'm gonna look for another example. You have this example here. We had this minor cross. Remember when the 111-day moving average crosses above the 350 day moving average, you should be looking for a reversal. It signals the top. It signals the top of the BTC market price action at that point in time, and this was in 2017 actually. I had this cross, and looking at this, from the moment we had this cross down to the reversal, we had over 70% reversal right here after the pi cycle market top indicator gave us this signal. So that is how you can spot it on your Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin price chart. So let's talk about how to apply this in your trading. First, you should keep a close eye on the convergence of the two moving averages. As they begin to narrow, it's a signal that Bitcoin's price is experiencing significant upward momentum. So you see, in cases like this where you have the price, the moving averages converging and coming together, you can see it here, 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 but we didn't cross, so this was no indication of a market top on BTC. And we had the cross right here, but before that cross, you see the market converging, the moving averages converging, indicating that we may likely cross. So let me look for another. Okay, this was when we hit 70k some months back, and you can see we were already converging, signaling that this may be a point to consider for these two moving averages to cross and give us the signal that this will probably be a market top on BTC at that point in time. This was in April 2024, and but actually, and also if you look at it, this is a major resistance level, and we've had the moving average cross in 2021 where we had this cross and this indication of a market top for BTC, and it also happened here in April, but we didn't cross. We were just converging. So the moving averages were just converging, coming close together, indicating that we may likely cross, but we didn't cross. We had market break this resistance level, and we are not looking at any cross in the future, as you can see, as a result of the elections just concluded, US elections where Donald Trump won, and Donald Trump is a big fan of crypto, and that has taken a very positive effect on Bitcoin's price in the past few days and weeks. And you can see this bullish price action. Actually, we are on the weekly chart, and since the first week of November, we've had bullish price action on BTC. So that's why we didn't exactly cross here. So first, when you observe this convergence, and when you observe the convergence of the moving averages, it's time to heighten your awareness. This doesn't necessarily mean you should exit all positions immediately, but rather prepare for potential market volatility. So the critical moment occurs when the 111-day moving average crosses above the 350-day moving average multiplied by 2. And this crossover has historically signaled major market tops. Remember, we had one here. So upon seeing this crossover, consider implementing these strategies. The first one is take partial profits on your long positions, because the pullback could be very substantial, and with enough volume. You can see we could have as high as 50% pullback if we are in a bullish trend like this. When you see the pi cycle market up give you this confirmation that we are at the top of the BTC trend, we could have corrections lasting weeks and going as low as 50%, as high as 50% drop from that level. You can see we had over 80% drop as we had this pi cycle top indicator give us this signal. So let me look for this one. For this one where we had this stop, it's the same thing. We had over 50% drop from that level. Just had over 54% drop from where we had the buy cycle market top, give us this indication. So you should take partial profits on your long positions, and you should tighten stop loss orders to protect gains. So the third one is prepare for potential short selling opportunities if other indicators confirms the top. Other indicators like your RSI showing us that we are overbought, or your MACD, or your moving average, or your fundamental analysis and research showing us that this could actually be the top, and we should be looking for short selling opportunities. It's crucial to use the price cycle top in conjunction with other technical and fundamental analysis tools. No single indicator is infallible, and false signals can occur. So by combining the price cycle top indicator with other analytical methods, you can make more informed decisions and potentially improve your trading outcomes. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest market insights and trading strategies. Your support helps us continue delivering high quality content to assist you in your trading journey. So until next time, trade smart and stay profitable. See you in the next one.